What is a quorum in the context of quirky law writers? Imagine sitting in a legislative chamber, watching a bunch of lawmakers debate. Suddenly, they try to pass a law with bizarre writers attached. But how do they decide if they can even vote? That's where a quorum comes into play. A quorum is the smallest number of members needed to hold an official vote or make a decision. Without enough members present, the entire session can be invalid. This rule keeps decisions legitimate and fair. In the world of strange law writers, those odd clauses added to bills, quorum rules become especially interesting. Writers are often unrelated to the main bill, sometimes funny or even bizarre. They sneak into bills, and whether they pass depends on if enough lawmakers are present to meet the quorum. If too many members are absent, the vote can't happen, and the strange writer stays in limbo. But if enough members show up, even the weirdest writers can slip through the legislative process. Some legislatures use quorum rules strategically. For example, a small group might skip voting to prevent a bizarre writer from passing. Or, if enough lawmakers are present, they can push through odd laws that seem out of place. Sometimes, lawmakers even use quorum rules to stall or speed up the passage of peculiar laws. It's like a game of legislative hide-and-seek, with quorum rules as the gatekeeper. In the context of America's quirky state laws, quorum requirements are a key part of how these strange laws become official. They ensure that decisions aren't made by just a few members acting alone. But they can also be exploited. If enough lawmakers are present but not paying close attention, they might pass a writer that's completely unrelated or bizarre. Understanding quorum rules helps explain how some odd laws survive or get blocked. It's a procedural safeguard that keeps the process fair but can also be manipulated. When a quorum is met, it means the legislative body agrees to move forward, even if the writer attached is totally wacky. Without a quorum, no votes happen, and the strange writer can be left hanging. So, in simple terms, a quorum is the minimum number of legislators needed to make a vote valid. In the case of quirky law writers, it acts as the gatekeeper, deciding whether these strange additions to bills become law or stay just a legislative joke. It's a funny but serious part of how laws are made, showing that behind every bizarre writer, there's a rule ensuring the process is legit.